The new Apple Liquid class is out now for several months, and Figma decided to put it natively into their software. And in this video, I want to show you how you can use it, design with it, and how to do cool effects like this. All right, so I created this test file here to show you how it works, and let's get started here. I will create a frame, and here in effects, you can click on the plus and you have several options here. So inner shadow, drop shadow, and so on. We want to select liquid class, and it automatically applies the class effect with some predefined settings. And what I like to do is, because this now is just squared, I like to apply corner radius, and then it already looks a bit more like the new liquid glass UI. So with the frame selected, you can select the effect settings here, and we have several settings. So the first one is the lighting, so just where the effect comes from. I would always keep it like this for now. You can also do the intensity of the effect here. I would also just keep it somewhere at 80%. And with this, with the default settings, you already have a quite cool effect. You can see on this background that it somehow blurs the background a bit. You can see that it applies like this light on the corners, and we can play around with this. So we have a few settings here. The first one is refraction, and it basically shows you, or you can change how much the background is actually blurred or refracted. I will show you this in a different example later. You have the depth, so how deep the front of the frame is. You have dispersion, which basically controls how much it breaks up light. So maybe you can see it here. If we increase dispersion, you can see that there are some smaller color breaks, so white light turns into a rainbow. And then you have frost, and this is specifically cool because it helps you put some text on it or some icons. So if we go here, we also have this frost element here, or this glass element, and if you put this on a white background, it might be hard to read the text on it. But if you put some frost on top of it, this becomes way easier to read. And I think here we could also play around a bit more with the dispersion again. I think here you can see it quite well. If I increase this, the background, how it changes itself, gets more refraction. I don't know if that's the correct word, but you can set this here. So, and now I want to show you how to do this. So you can have this really cool effect here. And basically what you do is you just crank up refraction to 100. So the more you crank it up, the more this gets refraction. You crank up the depth, so how deep the effect goes into it, and the dispersion. So here you can see quite well that the higher we put up this number, the more colors you see. And then you can really see in this example quite well how cool this glass effect looks like. It almost looks like you have this lens and you scroll over the text. So this is the tutorial. Let me know if you found it useful, and you can use this in either UI design, but also in marketing design and some graphic. The only thing you really need to be careful is to make sure if you put something on top of this glass frame that it is actually readable, and not do the same mistake as Apple in the beginning, where where parts of their UI are just really unlegible and hard to read. That being said, I hope you liked this video. If you want to see more things like this, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Ciao.